Hi, Chad here with Purple Color Life. Today, we're up at the property. Gonna get this deck pressure washed so that we can stain it in the next few days. If you were watching earlier in the summer, you saw I didn't have a pressure washer. Well, as you can see, I now do. So thank you to those of you who commented and helped me encourage Jennifer to let us get a pressure washer. It's already starting to get dark earlier. It's just not even quite 6 o'clock yet, and you can see, at least up here in the trees, it's starting to get pretty shady. So I'm going to get started right here on the railing. I'm just going to do around the railing first. Jennifer will be here in a little bit to help with the floor. She wants to see the surface cleaner on the floor. Before video. You can see the difference right there.
And right here too. From the circle.
I can't get it as good as the circle with this. Looks much better. We're gonna let it dry overnight. It's starting to get dark here, but we'll see what it looks like in the light of day. But I'm really impressed with how that surface cleaner worked with the Ryobi pressure washer. We'll be ready to stain as soon as that dries out. So it's actually 2 days later now. The porch turned out really good from the surface cleaner on the pressure washer. Almost looks like brand new boards. You can see a couple spots where we couldn't get the surface cleaner clear up to the edge. That gives you some idea what the porch looked like before we started. Then you can kind of compare it to with the surface cleaner. So I'm impressed with how that worked. This is going to be a great start to refinishing this porch with some new stain. So the next project we'll do here at the property house is to get some stain and restain this entire porch. If you like videos like this, give us a thumbs up, like down below, share with your friends, comment, and we'll see you again the next time. That big.
He's grumpy. He's a grumpy guy. Oh, there's the real purple color. No, come on. What face were you making? No.
So I'll explain to you guys. When you use the forward-facing camera on the phone, it's a much smaller picture than the high-resolution 4K camera we normally use.
That's
so
awful.
You'll be looking at this really small on the screen. So move closer to your computer at this point so you can see what we're saying.
I'm not saying anything.
Oh.
Just that you're grumpy.
So this was a good project here at the property.
I wanted to do this project when we first bought the house because I thought the deck would look a lot better. It's super sturdy. I don't know when it was built, but it's in really good shape, but it was just so dirty. I thought that pressure washing it and staining it would.
I wanted to hold off until she'd let me buy a pressure washer.